Hello guys, and welcome to NECA Native English for Kids and Adults. Well, today I bring you another amazing video, and today's video is all about a phrasal verb, and the phrasal verb is to give up. To give up. To give up simply means to stop an activity, as in do not give up on your dreams. Do not give up on learning English, because you know that learning English can open lots of doors for you. So I suggest you keep watching and keep learning English. And if you haven't subscribed, do this right now and you won't regret it. So do not give up on me, and I will not give up on you. I will always be posting these amazing videos for you. So subscribe now, share this channel to your friends. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.